Hi everyone, welcome to this week's drone video. We're going to be going into Manhattan to the DJI headquarters. There's a special event with Women Who Drone, and there is actually a special announcement that they're going to be having at this event. There's also some videos that are going to be showcased from the different brand ambassadors, which I am one of them, and the video that I submitted is actually going to be at the end of this video. So if you guys are interested, just stick around and enjoy the little trip out there with me.
Program that we created, and it's constantly growing, and we're super proud about that. We currently have 24 brand ambassadors from 14 different countries around the world. Our brand ambassadors are there to spread the word about Women Who Drone, but they also come from different lines of work aside from creating content with drones, including a lot of our brand ambassadors are in different industries like medicine, journalism, and business. So aside from promoting Women Who Drone, our brand ambassadors have also agreed to meet up with other women who go to their country and show them where they can actually fly. And we have a few brand ambassadors here tonight. I think if you're here and you're a brand ambassador, raise your hand. Awesome. Yes. Okay, we were expecting one more, but I don't know if I can shuffle on in later. All right, so, with that said, we'd like to show you some videos created by our Women Who Drone. Can we get the lights, please? So the first one is Mare from Australia, first Australia. Second, Fallon, who's here.
Women Who Drone is actually going to be partnering with Getty Images, and brand ambassadors like myself would be able to submit our images for a Women Who Drone collection. So if you guys are interested in learning more about Women Who Drone, I'm going to link it down below. And I'm also going to include the video that I had edited for this event. So keep watching, and I'll see you guys next week. For once you have tasted flight, you will walk the earth with your eyes turned skywards. For there you have been, and there you will long to return. Leonardo da Vinci. My name is Fallon Chan, and I have been a photographer for almost 8 years, living in one of the most photographed locations in the world, New York City. Here, you are forced every day to find new perspectives to show others and to stand out from the crowd. For many years, I have contemplated purchasing a drone and finally gave in 2017. Originally, I bought the DJI Spark but quickly upgraded to the Mavic Pro upon realizing that along with taking photos, I can also try something I have never done before, videography. I've only been flying 1 year, but having a drone has opened many doors for me, and what was once just a hobby can now potentially be a career. A few months ago, I became a certified drone pilot, and I am excited to see where the future, as well as my Mavic Pro, will take me. In the last few months, I have been able to see my city with different eyes, and has inspired me to show others what they can do with their drones. I also enjoy meeting up and sharing what I have learned with others who are in this drone community. There aren't many women who fly drones, and I hope that by sharing what I do, I would be able to inspire other women out there to do the same. I fly because I enjoy the feeling of freedom when I am in the air like a bird.